Let's make a Halloween Boo cookie cake. To start, clip the tip of each bag of icing with scissors. Be careful not to cut too much. If the icing comes out too small, you can always cut off a little more. Begin creating a spider web using the purple bag of icing. Draw a straight line across the center of the cookie. Add 3 more lines that touch in the center. Next, we are going to connect the straight lines with curved lines to make the inside of the web. We will make 4 rows of arced lines starting from the inside of the cookie, working our way out. Turn the cookie and repeat the spiderweb lines on the other half of the cookie. Now, we are going to do the same thing with the orange icing by tracing on top of the purple lines. It is okay to not be exact. With the spiderweb complete, we're ready to add a border. Start by taking the green bag of icing in your hand. Make a squiggly border all the way around the edge of the cookie, turning the cookie with your other hand as you go. Next, we are going to write Boo with green icing. Write the letters B-O-O wherever you'd like in the middle of the cookie. Finish the letters by taking the purple bag of icing and trace each letter to make them pop. Final step, open the sprinkles and scatter them along the border and wherever else you'd like.